Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is How Fast.
What's going on, guys?
Derek and I are here. It's another beautiful day in Southern Ontario, and we are working on
the EK.
The EK Honda.
EK Honda. It's become more of a project than we planned, but hey, it's nice out. It's the weekend. We got nothing else to do, right? Let's play with the cars.
Yeah, so we're gonna have like segments on each of our cars as just additional content for you guys in between certain waits for parts and things like that on our project build. So we'll have devoted content towards Derek's Honda. We'll also have content for Hildy, the BMW, and also maybe even Church's car if he wants to. If
we can get Church on board.
Yeah, I'm sure Church wouldn't mind having some work done to his car, or even we were talking about going to RSP Motorsports there in Kamoka and getting it dynoed. I mean,
all-wheel drive dyno.
Yeah, he's all-wheel drive dyno. Maybe he's. I think it's a Stage 2 Subaru WRX, and I think it's a 2013. So
it needs a tune.
It needs a tune, but I'll tell you, it's a pretty fast car as it is. So we'd love to see that on the dyno. I'd also like to get my car dyno once this thing is going. Well, I mean, can you put this on there?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
They just turn off.
They just turn off. Yeah. You can they'll still dyno like a two-wheel drive, like rear wheel or front wheel drive. They just turn off whichever one you're not using.
I'm a dyno amateur. Yeah. Anyway, so stay tuned here. While we're working on this, why don't you watch me clean our engine for our project car. I don't know. It's
more than a freaking brake line, though. I can tell you that for damn sure.
Yeah.
Let's go through the list of what do we name it?
Gertrude.
Gertrude. Yep.
We're gonna name this car Gertrude. Dirty Gertie.
Dirty Gertie. Yep.
Oh. So.
Yep. She's a dirty girl right now.
Yeah, but that's okay.
But yeah.
She's you know, Derek and I started looking at the front suspension. So you can see down here, it's in really rough shape. You know, a lot of the bushings are really dry rotted. Yeah, it looks, you know, it's seen better days. So we're probably just gonna replace everything down here, and you know, it's a Honda Civic.
Yeah, cheap, easy parts.
Plentiful.
Yeah, easy to repair, replace.
So we're making a list right now. So Derek, let's read it off.
So control arm assembly, so upper lower control arms, and all that front suspension, new coilovers, get all that redone. Calipers we've got, those come with the car, so I think we can reuse those. Put new pads on them, new carrier, brake lines for sure. We got to replace a couple of brake lines, so we got to get some of that, get that bent up, and new carpet for inside, just to start anyway, and that should get it back on the road. After that, whole lot of cosmetics, but
so a little bit about this car. This engine is a 1.6 liter. It's a 16 valve single overhead cam with VTEC, and they made it's a D16YE that was available in Canada here with the SI, and it made about I think it was 125 horsepower.
Yeah,
red line's at 68, but the rev limit is 72. So
yep.
Should be fun to drive, that's for sure.
Yep.
So we're gonna order these parts up.
Yep, get some parts on order this week, hopefully, and we'll see how the week goes. You know, between the two of us, it's been just nuts.
Yeah, we're both really busy, but
we got the canopy, we got the cover, so weather's not going to be an issue. You know, if it's raining or whatever, hopefully the frickin' snow's done. You know, it's a lot nicer out right now.
Yeah, and you know, just like you guys saw there, we actually I cleaned up the block last night, and it's coming along probably about 90% there. Just trying to get the last bits of junk off of it before we bring it over to Randy to have our bearings put in. So I'm going to get in contact with him, and hopefully in the next week we're going to go and buy some bearings over at Walker Machine, Walker Machine or Automotive, over here in Chatham. We're gonna go and see those guys about some King bearings and get those on order, and hopefully in the next week we'll get the engine over to Randy. So we'll keep you guys up to date with that.
Yep, and when we get parts in on here, I'll be filming whatever I'm doing on here. Keep you guys up to date on what's going on with the Honda, and hopefully within a week or so we'll be able to get her back on the road. Yeah,
so look forward to more content on Gertrude here.
Yep.
And remember, guys, to like and subscribe if you can. Comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts on what we're trying to get accomplished here. So you know, stay tuned. And
just so you guys know, we got the hockey beard going.
Yeah. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Look at that beard.
Go Leafs. I am not shaving or trimming or anything until the Leafs lose, so keep her going, boys.
Yeah, keep your
stick on the ice, and let's keep her going. Bring the cup home.
Yeah. Good luck to the Toronto Maple Leafs. We'll catch up with you guys next week, and stay tuned. We'll see how fast we can make all of these cars go.